Hi everyone, welcome to the Premsoft Technical Channel. In the Java tutorial series, today I am going to explain you about how to open the Eclipse and how to write the simple Java programs in the Eclipse. So let's start with the examples. So first of all, you go to your folder where you have saved the Eclipse, double click on that. And those who are not aware like how to install the Eclipse and all, that is also I will tell you guys. You can just go to the Google, download Eclipse. You just type the download Eclipse. Okay, you can go to the Eclipse website and whatever the version you want to download, like Eclipse 64-bit, you can just click on this. Automatically the download will be started. Okay, so when you click here, your download will start. Once you download, you no need to install, nothing should be there. Just open your folder where once you download, unzip it. After unzip it, just you will get this Eclipse folder. Just double click on that and open it. Okay, I think already I opened. So once you open, you will get here D: your name. If you want to change the folder name, you can change it. If you don't want to change, just launch it as it is. Okay, click on launch. Already I opened, that's why it was getting the error. Okay. So when I click on launch, it will take few seconds of time to open it. Okay. Now once you open, when you are logging in first time, you will get a welcome message here. But as I am not logging first time, I am getting directly screen. But process will be same, guys. If you get the welcome page, then what you have to do, click on file, click on new, and then you can click here other. Here you have to just search for the Java project. Actually here directly if you are able to see, you can double click, otherwise search for the Java project, double click on it. Okay, it will ask you the project folder name. So you can give the project folder name as I am giving here PR software. You can give any name, there is no problem with that, and just click on the finish. So what will happen? Your folder will be created here. How should I know? Here you will get a project explorer option. Just click on that and see my folder PR software is created. Right click on this PR software folder to create a program. So I will right click, go to the new, go to the class. What I did, right click on the folder, new, go to the class. Whatever the class name you wanted to give, you can give it here. Suppose I am giving my class name as PRSoft1. Make sure guys, you should not use any spaces in between the name. If you are giving like PRSoft1 I want to give, you can give any name, but what is the problem? Space should not be there. After that, public static void main, you have to click on this one and then click on the finish. Okay, so what will happen? Your file is created. Whatever you want to write, you can write it down inside, like I am writing system.out.println, and I will write here hello. Then if you want to compile and run means, just click on this above option, it will get compiled here. Click on OK, you will get a hello here. If you have the two classes, like generally if you are having the two classes, how to create? I will write class A. Those who are very new to the Java, don't worry about that. In coming videos we will see about that one also, but just here we will see if you want to create the two classes. Suppose this is my class name is A. You can give anything. Let us say my class name is ABC. Inside that I am having one method white display. Simple method I am creating. Inside that I am printing one message system.out.println. I will write we are in ABC. So just in this simple class I am telling you how to access the other class into your class. So what you have to do, make sure guys, when you are a starter, what you do, this bracket you do not follow properly. Here this ABC bracket should be closed then white display bracket also open and close properly. After closing this, you want to access this class detail into your main class. What you have to do is, you have to create the object ABC. A is equals to new ABC. What I am doing, I am creating the object of ABC A, then I will call A dot display file. A dot display file I will call it. So when I call ABC is nothing but, here we are creating the object of this class, and this line we do not require now, so I will just remove it for now. Okay, here ABC A is equals to new ABC, nothing but what, to call this class detail into this class, first we have to create the object, and this is the class name, object name is A, new class name, and then whatever object name is there, by using that object name we can call this class details. So this is nothing but what, we can call the ABC. Now see here in the output, we are in ABC. I hope it is very clear. Suppose example, let us say in this class only you are having the two methods. Let us say we are having white show and white display. Here I will write system.out.println message I will write is we are in show. Now in ABC class how many methods are there? Two methods. How to call? How you are calling A dot display? Same you can call A dot show. No need to create one more object for this. Simple. Save it. Just compile and run. Check. We got the both. So like this you can do the practice of this one. I hope we are very clear. Thank you for watching this video.